Hi there, everybody. This is Godfrey Oni. I'm sitting here today with David Sherwood.
Good morning, good afternoon, but I won't say good night yet.
And you are tuned into another Ask Me Anything Wednesday. We are in the month of June, and we are in the month of home ownership month. And our question for today is, Dave, do you have any tips or tricks for our team out there to be a little bit more productive in their everyday lives?
Productive, sure. The most important thing for me is creating a list. Now, sometimes people will tend to make a to-do list, and at the end of every day they look at their to-do list and see that there are 5 things they didn't accomplish and 2 things they did, and they get very dejected, and then they carry it over to the next day, and pretty soon you're in depression.
Yeah.
So what I do instead is I prioritize. And so a good friend of mine, Dan, had suggested an A, B, C, D, but I think either 1, 2, and 3 or A, B, C is fine. The first are the items that I have to get done today. If I don't get them done today, the consequences are too great, so I've got to get them done today. So that would be in the A category. The B category would be things that I can get done today or tomorrow, but they're easy to get accomplished. And so you put those in the B category and try and fit them in between things to make things efficient and go smoothly. And the C category is to take a look at what can I put on the shelf. They're on the bottom of the list. If I get to them, great. But if I don't, the world's not going to shatter, and I can get those accomplished sometime within the week. And so I've got my A, B, C list. And you know how sometimes towards the afternoon you get into a bit of a doldrum.
Right,
and you
right.
kind of, you lose a little bit of thought process and momentum, and you say, okay, what can I do next? And sometimes things don't come up readily. Look at your list and look at what the important things were. The next thing is that sometimes we're going from fire to fire to fire. That's never a good thing, right? So if you look at your list, you say, look, we've got these fires to put out, but right now I have to get back and get this thing done, or all heck is going to break loose today. So keeping that list and that priority would be a number one thing for me to stay productive and keep things moving forward.
Awesome. And if you guys have any other tips or tricks yourselves, we would love to hear about them in our comment section. So please comment, like, share, and subscribe on our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel. Do you have any last words, Dave?
Thank you so much for stopping by, enjoying a little time with us today, and I hope your day is just a little bit brighter.
Thank you, everybody. We will see you next week. Tell all your friends, tell all your enemies to check out Sherwood Inspection Services. We'll see you next time. Bye.